Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Radar. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So, with that, I think we move on to our live trades. Okay, the key data that is going to be out today is we're going to get new home sales. Okay, new home sales at 2300 hours, and 2330 we are going to get crude oil inventories. Okay, so these are the two data that is going to be out. Uh, then as far as the trade is concerned, I think we have taken a trade short gold at 29155, and right now this market is trading at 290540. So it's already making about $10, and let's look into see further enhancement of this trade, and also when we look at Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Okay, so here let me okay, right now I think this market is already started moving down, which was as expected, and right now is testing the key support, which was the morning low. So if it breaks, then I think we should see the price moving further towards 2900. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm not sure whether I'm showing the right screen. Okay, I think this is not showing the right screen. Let me change the screen now. Okay, and I think this is almost trying to hit our price target. Okay, let's see whether we are seeing the price target. Give me a minute. So, because we are also tracking the trade. Okay, right now this is trading at 2902 75. Okay, we are trying to exit at 2901, and 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 now I think we can bring down our stop to 2906. Okay, let me see that. Yeah, 0606 half. Okay, and let's see whether we are getting this price target hit. Okay, then what we can do is we can try to just give me a minute. 2303. Okay, 3. Okay, bring down our stop to 0.6 half, but looks like the market is bouncing back to 2905. Okay, I think we'll wait for a while. We'll wait for a while. Let it get stabilized. Then we will see whether we can book that profit. Okay, we're trying to lock in the profit. Okay, it's breaking 2902. Okay, 180. So what we are going to do is, okay, once we lock in the profit, okay, am trying to close at 0.2 or better, just try to close at market. Then we will try to re-enter again at 2906. Okay, try to close at, lock in the profit at market. I think right now it's about 0.2. Because I don't want to miss this trade. Okay, so I think we have locked in the profit. So now we would try to re-enter again. Okay, we'll try to re-enter again. We'll try to re-enter at 2906. Okay, 2906. Stop 2912, and we'll try to go for another trade at 2910. Okay, we'll try to go two trades. Okay, let's go on. Okay, I think it's breaking the low. It's already broke 2901. Okay, it's already reached our price target. It's okay. I mean, it's like let's see. Yeah. Okay, we are seeing it's breaking lower. I think the next support, I think I did tell you, was 2906. Sorry, 2896. 2896 and 2890. Okay, so let's see. We'll try to enter at 2906. Stop 2911 half, and this one we will try to exit at 2892, above yesterday's low. Okay, and this one we will try to put it as 2300 hours. Okay, so let's wait for that market to stabilize. Okay, let it stabilize, and we will see whether we can enter at better levels. Okay, so let's do the analysis Then after that we will go on to Nasdaq. Okay, here gold daily. So if your 2890 breaks, okay, 2890 breaks, price is expected to move towards 2880. Okay, 2880 or lower. And I think it's touching the next target 2896. Okay, 2896. Let it move. Let it move. It's okay. Let it move. So now we got to try to re-enter. Okay, the only re-entry point I'm looking at is 2906, or wait for this market to stabilize. Okay, stabilize, then we'll try to see whether we can get a better entry level again. Okay, I think it's still moving lower as expected, but I think we should have put slightly lower. Okay, I think it doesn't matter anyway. It doesn't matter. Let's see the Nasdaq. Okay, gold, I think we are already out. We'll try to wait for the next entry point. Let's look at Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq, what we are seeing now is this is in a range on the daily. Okay, this is range on the daily, and the range we are looking at is 21453 and 2098. Okay, these are the two levels of range. Then on the hourly, we are expecting this market to turn before 21400. Okay, right now the high is 2133. Okay, right now the high is 2133. Then on the 15 minute, okay, 15 minute, we looks like we may have seen the high. Okay, so now what we will do is we will try to enter short at 21 265. Okay, with a stop above 21335. Okay, this is going to be pretty wide. Let me see whether we can get a lower stop. Okay, we'll put it as, I think it should be okay. I think 21335. Okay, let's go for this. And the TP we are looking at is another about 150 points down. Okay, so let's go for a sell. Nasdaq, two one two six zero. Okay, 21260. Stop 21335, and we will just put it 2100. Okay, this is just we'll just put it as of a time being, then later we'll do the adjustment. Okay, let me double check that with the system. Okay, trying to sell at 21260. Huh? Okay, market keeps falling. Then okay, I think this is showing the wrong screen again. Give me a minute. Then we will try to go for another entry at 21305. Okay, one is we are trying to sell at 212600. Another one is we are trying to sell at 21305 with a stop above 345. Okay, and this one, the TP, we are looking to exit before 125. Okay, these are the two entries on Nasdaq we are looking for. Okay, let's put in. Okay, we are trying to sell Nasdaq $21305. Okay, stop 55 and 21125. Okay, this is also we will put until 11:30. So we are trying to enter two trades. Okay, one is trying to sell at 260 with 75 pips stop loss. Another one we are trying to sell at 21305 with 50 pips stop loss. Okay, so let's see how this thing happens. You let me know if the order is filled. Okay, stop 3, 4, 5. Okay, then the gold, I think we have already booked the profit, so we don't want to chase that. Okay, we have to wait for the next entry point. So the Nasdaq now we are seeing 56. Okay, 56. Let's wait to see. Okay, the next one we are looking at is Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones, we are seeing a range on the daily. Okay, then we should be looking to see a range on the hourly as well, and I think the comfortable stop loss should be 43925. Okay, so we just have to see whether the market has seen the high. So we'll try to sell at 790, put a stop at 855. Okay, so this is for Dow Jones. Then our TP should be 650. Okay, 650. Okay, I repeat, 795 sell. Okay, so this is going, so Nasdaq is filled, Nasdaq is filled. So now we are going for a sell on the Dow Jones. Four, 3795, 865 and 43660. Okay, this is about 135 pips. Okay, let me double check. Okay, so I think this is, we are good to go. Okay, yesterday I'm not sure how many of you managed to get, yesterday we gave an order to buy Nasdaq at 21,000. In fact, that was the lowest we saw. Then after that the market bounced about almost like more than 250 points from the low. So I don't know whether anyone of you managed to take the trade. If you have taken the trade, just share with us, so at least, okay, we know that, okay, you have taken the trade and you have exited with a profit. Okay, now our Nasdaq, I think our 60 is filled. Right now we are making about 20 pips. Okay, 25 pips. And we are making money on that. So the Dow Jones, I think we still have yet to fill. Okay, so here okay, our order was filled 60 and the high was 63. Right now this is trying to break the low, but we still have to wait for another 5 more minutes for the main session to come. So if we can get into this trade, we will see how we can capitalize on this and make a profitable trade on this. So target, I think we should exit at 2117, okay, which is about 90 points. Okay, 90 points, 2117. Let's see whether we are getting. Actually, 21200, there is a support. Okay, there is a support, but if it breaks, then we can see the price another 30 pips lower. Okay, so let's see how this thing is coming about. Okay, as far as the gold is concerned, one 5. Gold has already reached the first target. Okay, in fact, we have taken a trade and we already exited with the profit. So we shorted at, for those of you who came in late, we shorted the gold in the evening at 2915, and we closed at 290201 because we want to go for a very conservative target. So we already closed. So now we are waiting for re-entry again, which is 2906. Okay, or lower we may want to go for a buy, but as of now I think we just want to just stay sideline and just watch for a while. Okay, the Dow we have put in at 795. This is not filled yet. Okay, but our Nasdaq is filled, and we are trying to see whether we can exit at 2117 half. Okay, let's see whether the price breaks the low. So if it breaks this low, then we should see the price moving lower, and let's see the main session, the main session coming into play. Then we will see how this market responds. We have 2 more minutes. So for those of you who came in late, okay, we are trying to sell Dow Jones. We are trying to sell gold, but we already booked the profit on the gold. Then Nasdaq, we are already into the trade. So we shorted at 60, and right now this is trading at 35. So we are waiting for the main market, main section to come in. Okay, we have another 1 more minute. Okay, we have 1 more minute. Okay, I think the main session has come into play, and is already breaking the low. Okay, it's already breaking the low. We'll try to book profit. Okay, try to book a profit at 2. Okay, let's see. I mean, let it. I mean, it's still coming off. Okay, I think. Let it go. Okay, we'll try to maybe book profit at 21200. Okay, I think it's breaking lower. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, now 21. I think we put it as 2100, right? Change it to 21195. Okay, let's exit with the profit first. Okay, exit with the profit 195, close it. Okay, reduce the stop. Okay, reduce the stop to cost. Okay, right now is 20, so reduce the stop lower. Okay, I think the market is moving pretty fast. See, this is the problem with Nasdaq. If you don't react fast, then you are out of the game. So we will try to close at 21200, and we will close at the stop at 21260. Okay, we'll try to get the 60 pips, so at least we can get back again. Okay, so right now this is coming off a bit. Okay, now it's 2105. Okay, now is 05. Okay, I think 0 now is 10. Okay, try to book in the profit, so at least we can do a re-entry again. Okay, so I think it's 04. Okay, I think profit we've taken. Profit booked 2100. Okay, I hope you all have booked the profit as well, because this moves very fast, so sometimes our system is a bit slow in responding. Okay, so do you all manage to book the profit? 21200. Okay, now we are going to do a re-entry again. We will wait for the re-entry again. Okay, now let it get stabilized, and we have an order to work at 21305. Okay, 305, and gold we are trying to sell at 2906, and Dow we are trying to sell at 43795. Okay, let me see whether I've closed it. Just give me a minute. Okay, so now let's go for a re-entry again. Re-entry again. I think now we can take our time to do our analysis. Okay, of course, I think this is expected to break lower, but we still have the data is going to be out. So sometimes until the data, this market may move either side. Okay, let's okay, it's going, it's breaking the low. Wait, let me reboot my system. Just give me a minute. I'm trying to reboot the system. Sorry. Okay, I repeat again. Sorry. Okay, the for those of you who came in late, okay, we are going to do a analysis of the Nasdaq. Okay, just now we shorted at 21260 and we exited at 2200. Okay, I don't know how many of you have taken the trade and managed to exit with the 60 pips profit. So now we are going to do a reanalysis again. Now the price is moving up. Okay, now is trading at 65. So we are trying to sell at 21305. Okay, 305, and see whether is there any other better entry level. Okay, so your 2 hours looks like it's going up, and your 15-minute is also going up. Okay, I think the high we have seen is 21270. Okay, 21270. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to sell at 21305. Okay, right now we are seeing some strength. Let it push higher, and 21, the 21305, probably we may want to reduce it to 21280. Okay, try to sell at 21280. So reduce this to 21280, and the stop still remains the same, 355, and this one we will put it as 175. We'll just put it as 175, then later we can do the change again. Okay, so try to sell at 75 or 80 also. I think you try to take the trade. Okay, let me enter the trade. See, you may want to enter at 60, we can re-enter at the same level. If you think you can get it at 60, because this market is moving very fast, so we'll try to enter at 60, try to sell at 60. Okay, try to enter at 60, and the stop still remain the same. Okay, try to okay, 60 is filled. 60 is filled. 60 is filled. Okay, try to enter 60. Two, 1,355 and 2,1. I'll just put it as 105, and we are already into the trade. Okay, we are already into the trade. So how many of you managed to get into the trade again? This is the second round we are going. Early on we sold at 60, we took profit. Now we are trying to enter again, and we are still there. Okay, now let me see the Dow Jones. Okay, let me see the Dow Jones. Dow Jones is 700. Okay, 700. Okay, I'm not sure whether you want to go for that. See, it's dropping very fast. Do you all manage to enter that? How many of you managed to get into the trade? That 60? Anyone in this room? Okay, second round we entered. Okay, I got it at 60. Anyone, please just respond to the thing so at least you know that, I mean, I know that you are with me, so at least we can move on with the trade. Otherwise, did anyone manage to enter at 60? Okay, because you have to respond fast, because you have to be fast. Otherwise, second sell order no failed. But how come my side was failed? Okay, I got it filled. Okay. Anyway, so if you have not, then what I would suggest is you may want to try at maybe about 10, 10 pips lower, maybe about 50, or just wait to see whether you are getting it filled. Okay. So now let's move on to our Dow Jones and gold. Okay, the Dow, I think we can still sell because the high is 740. So if we are trying to sell at 795, I think we got to lower it to 740, and let me see whether I can. $720 we'll put at 825. Okay, 825 as stop loss. Then the TP we'll try to put at 620. Okay, this one we are revising this. Try to sell at 720, 825 and 620. Okay, 100 pips. Okay, I think this is my server is down. This is the issue now. Okay, let me try one more time. Okay, I think this one we can't do. I think we will just type it. We will see. Okay, now let's go into the chart and do directly. Okay. So now the Dow Jones, we want to try to sell at 700 or 715. Okay, you put a stop at 785 and TP we can put lower. We can put lower first. Okay, I'll repeat. Try. Maybe can someone help me to type it out? Okay, Dow Jones selling at 715, stop 785 and TP at 570. Okay, this is for Dow Jones. Then Nasdaq, I think we are trying to sell at 21260. Okay, which is right now is about 50-52. Okay, let's see whether this order is going to get filled. Then the gold. Okay, let's move on to the gold now. Okay, now I think this is starting to move back. Okay, so most likely, I think we are seeing the base here. Okay, we'll try to see, go for another cell. Okay, let me just give me a minute. Okay, so the gold right now, this is moving back to 2908, sorry, 03. So we'll try to sell at 2906 and put a stop at 29. Just now I think I gave an order 2911, 11 half. Okay, I think we have given this order here. 2906 try to sell, 2911 and 2892. Okay, try to go for this trade. Let me key in as well. Okay, the gold right now is 29 2906, yeah, correct. Okay, thank you. So this one, the Dow, you already put at this. I think we have most likely, we would have got stopped out on this. Okay, then I think we got to do a re-entry on the Dow again. Okay, so let's wait for this market to settle down. Okay, now let's see, let's move on to the gold. Okay, so now let's see, let's wait for the gold to get filled. Then I think our NAS, the Dow Jones, I think the first order, actually we should have let our first order work. But I think since we are trying to chase the market, I think we got stopped out on the Dow. So we need to do a re-entry for that. And for the Nasdaq, okay, we also have sold at 21860. Okay, 21260. So right now this is also moving against. Let it settle, and let's see how this market is going to respond. Okay, so we are, for those people who came in late, we have entered Nasdaq shorted. We took profit 60 pips. Now we have done a re-entry again, and right now that is going against about 20 pips. And gold we shorted at 2915 and booked our profit at 2902, and we are trying to do a re-entry again. Okay, re-entry again, which is 29 right now is 2904. So what we feel is we have another 6 more minutes. Okay, 6 more minutes to see on this. Then we may want to sell at market after that 6 minutes. If let's say we don't get our order filled, then we may want to enter at market. Okay, so right now is 2905. Okay, 475. So let's wait for another 6 minutes. 6 minutes for this candle to go up. I think this Nasdaq and this is moving too fast. We should have waited for our entry. We shouldn't have chased the market. But anyway, since we're already into the trade, I think there's no complaint we got to look for. Okay, we have another 5 more minutes. Wait for this gold. If either we'll try to get our order filled, or another 5 minutes we'll try to enter at market. Okay, we'll try to enter at market. The Dow actually you have put in, that means see the actually that 795, I wanted to adjust that to 715. Okay, but since you have put in that both orders, then you let it work. Because just now our server was down. Okay, we are seeing about 4:30. Okay, we have another 4 more minutes. Okay, wait for this 4 more minutes, and we'll try to enter this trade. If okay, try to reduce the 6 selling order, the the gold, to 4 half. Okay, reduce it to 4 half. The stop still remain. Okay, I'll let you know what to do with the stop. So we'll try to try to enter at 4 half. And the stop, put it as 9 half. Okay, and the TP is still the same, 2892. Okay, try to sell at 4 half. Okay, right now is 3. So we have 2 more minutes for that trade to finish. If your 4 half cannot, then try to do it as 3 half. Okay, that would be your final try. Anyone managed to enter? Now it's only 2 half. I think we just missed, I think we should have entered at we missed that trade again. Should have sold at 4 half. Okay, right now is 2 half. Okay, we have reduced it to 3 half. Don't think we will get this trade filled. Okay, we should have entered at market. Okay, we missed it. Okay, now the DAX, um, the Nasdaq looks a bit stable, so I think we would try to close it and try to enter at a better level. Okay, looks like this is showing some strength, so we'll try to close at 70. Yeah, 70. Try to take a loss and try to close it, because we don't want to take the risk unnecessarily. So if you can close it at 70, try to close the Nasdaq at 70, then we'll try to re-enter again at a better level, and also the stop we will try to lower it to 30. Okay, looks like it's going to go higher, so we'll try to close it at 30. Sorry, stop reduce to 30, and the price we'll try to close at 70 or 80, not maybe close it at 80. And the same thing for the Dow. I think we'll close it first. Okay, try to close it so we don't get the Dow also. I think we can close at 15. Okay, 15 or 20. Try to close at market. Okay, we'll do a re-entry again. Okay, Dow close at 815. Take a loss, take a loss. Okay, take a loss. Then we will do a re-entry again. Because we have to be very fast on this, otherwise we will try to okay, this one will try to close at 80. Try to close at 80, the Nasdaq. Then I'll give you a better levels to enter. And the gold, I think we missed the entry. You know, we are supposed to sell at 2905. I think now it's coming off to 2900. I think we missed it. I don't know, did anyone manage to get at 5? Okay, the Nasdaq we're trying to close at 280, and the stop lower it to stop lower it to 330. Okay, now it's 90, so it's 80. It's coming off. Try to close at 80, try to close at 80. Now is 85. I think if you get it, you close it. Okay, so it's close it, it's okay. 85, now is 83. I think 80 closed. Okay, so now I think we have exited with both with the minimum loss. Okay, we will wait for a more signal. Okay, more signal to come in, because it looks a bit choppy, and we will see. Okay, now we're trying to enter again. We're trying to enter again. So now the Nasdaq, I think, is coming off to 60. I think. Even if it would have cost, I don't know whether we can get it, but let's see. It's okay. I mean, as long as we don't get stopped out, we are seeing in front, should be okay. Okay, so let's see, because this looks a bit choppy. And for those of you, okay, gold, okay, hold on, Yeah, I think the gold, the 3 half is filled. Huh? Anyone 3 half? Okay, the 3 half gold is filled. Early on, we gave an order to sell at 6. Then we reduce it to 3 half. Okay, now I think we'll just concentrate on the gold. Okay, now we have a order filled at 3 half. So let me see. Okay, this is okay. I think this also looks like we may see the price moving higher. Okay, what I want you to do, if the order is filled, try to close it at 4. Okay, we'll try to close at 4 and lower the stop to 5 half. You close the gold, okay, because it's going to go higher. Order fill, try to close the gold, okay, it's going to go higher, it's going to go higher. So we'll try to close. We'll try to enter at a better level. Can you try to close at 4 half? Don't take chance on this. Okay, it's going to go higher. Gold, please gold, please close the gold. If you're not able to react fast, please, just try to react fast, please, because this is moving pretty fast. Okay, so like as I said, this looks pretty fast, and if you don't react fast, I think we end up losing money. Okay, and also for those of you who are coming in first time, if your reaction time is slow, then what I would suggest is you just concentrate on one instrument rather than all the three, because it's going to be really very hectic, especially gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. If you're not careful, you would end up losing a lot. Okay, so you got to be very fast and very careful, and if you're not your reaction time is not that fast, then what I would suggest is you just concentrate on one instrument, rather than doing all the three. Okay, now let's do it all again. Okay, I think so far those of you who came in late, okay, I just want to share with you. We sold gold, we booked profit. We sold Nasdaq, we booked profit. Then we sold and we tried to took a loss. Okay, and Dow Jones also we have taken a loss. Gold also we have taken a loss. Okay, a quick loss so that we don't get ourselves caught unnecessarily. Okay, now let's do that again one more round to get a better entry level again. Okay, now the Dow Jones is moving up, Nasdaq is moving up, gold is trading around 2906, so it's all somewhere here. Okay, so let's do the analysis again, then we will see how we can get back on track. So now, like earlier on I said, okay, because we looking at Dow Jones, I think we closed at 815. Okay, we shorted at 795. We took a loss because we expected this thing to move up, and it is already moving up. So now we got to wait for a re-entry. Okay, so now let's do our analysis, and what we feel is this is going to go to 44030. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, 44030. This is can be extending. Then on the hourly, okay, looks like market has already seen the base, and this is expected to extend towards 44030. Then on the 15-minute also looks like we may have seen the base. Okay, we may have seen the base, and it may push higher. Okay, it may push higher. Okay, so the only thing we got to see is where is the next turning point, okay, for us to do. Okay, now here the situation here is that 845. Okay, this is a make or break scenario. So if it breaks, it can go higher. If it fails, then it can come down again. Okay, it can come down again. So we have to wait to give some more clue. Okay, we have yet to see the clue of turning. Okay, what I can do is I have to reboot my system to see the levels. But while before we go into this, let's do the gold first. Then probably we will go on to this Nasdaq and Dow Jones. Okay, now we look into the gold. Okay, now let's see how high it can go. Okay, just now I think we shorted at 3.5, closed at 4.5, 5. You know, I'm not sure how many of you managed to close at 4.5 or 5.5. So I think there was once I took two trades. One I closed at 4.5, another one I think about 6.5. So I got we got to be very fast in getting into this. So now your daily. Okay, daily is can go up to 2.6 or 3.2. Then your 6 hours. Okay, 6 hours, it says this is still within the range. So this is within the range. So I think our stop loss should be 29155 or slightly higher, 2918 half. Okay, then if you look into the 15-minute, looks like it can continue further. Okay, it can continue further high. So what we can do is we can go for a re-entry again near 14 half. Okay, 14 half, and we will try to put a stop at 19 half. 19 half, and we will try to exit at 0 7 half or 0 8 half. So for those of you who have lost on this trade, so we will try to get back on track. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to try to sell at 14 half. Okay, of course if we can get early, we will try to stay focused and try to do a re-entry on this. So here 2914 half, 2919 half, and the TP we should exit at 2908 or 2903. Okay, so maybe we'll put it as 03 or 03 half. Okay, and this one we will give until 24. Okay, 24, or maybe another half at 12:30. Okay, so this one, okay, what I want you to take note is, okay, we can see the price turning down. Okay, we can see the price turning down either at 10 half or 14 half. Okay, get yourself focused on these two levels, either 10 half or 14 half. Then the market may start to ease after these two levels. But of course, if it breaks 19, then we are expecting this trend to continue further towards 25, 26. So that is going to be not 25, but 23 or 25. 23 or 25. So these are the next two levels to pay attention to. So now the gold traders, I just repeat, if excuse me, if you have just joined the session, we are trying to sell at either 10 half or 14 half. Stop above 19. Okay, and try to take a profit at 2903 or 2906, whichever way you get it. Okay, you try to take profit at that level, and because this market has taken a base same as yesterday's low, so chances are this might be back into the range. If it breaks that yesterday's low, then we may see the price moving lower, but unlikely, because I think that is the 289092 that's being a very strong support. So if you notice, today's low is 2891, yesterday's low is 2890 half, so it's bouncing back from the low, so which means to say that we may have seen the base twice, so we got to wait until this level breaks. Okay, so this is for gold. Then for the Dow Jones and Nasdaq, okay, what I can show you is, okay, it's already moving up. Okay, let it move up. We will give you the next levels. Either that can be the target or that can be the selling point. Okay, let me reboot my system. So now Nasdaq. Okay, I think it's a good thing uh, we closed at cost, not hesitating to think to see whether we are. I don't know how many of you managed to close it. Okay, I'm not sure how many of you managed to close it, or how many of you got stopped out. Okay, I'm not sure of that. But like as I told you, if you want to trade these three instruments, you got to be very fast in reacting. If not, then I think you tend to lose a lot. Okay, so for the sorry, for the, okay, this is still loading. Still loading. Okay, so for the Dow, the next resistance is daily RR2. Okay, next day resistance is daily RR2, and for Nasdaq is daily SR1 and RR2. Okay, so these are the next two resistance levels. So for the RR2 means this is like we are looking at 43940, and for the Nasdaq we are looking at 21410 and 21525. Okay, this should be your next resistance levels. So I just repeat, for Dow is 43940 or higher, which is 44055 and 44100. Okay, so now let's get the figure right, and let's move on with the trade. Okay, now so I think the Nasdaq we are looking at 410. Okay, 410 is this level. Okay, 405 and 450. Okay, so these are the next two levels of resistance based on the daily. Then if I go into the hourly, we should see the price either at 21395 or extension of this level, which is I think the next level is 21440. Okay, 21440. Okay, the gold is moving higher, 2909. Okay, let it move up, so we will get a better opportunity for that trade. Okay, now if we look into the 15-minute, I think the resistance is about 213 380 73.85. I think that is the high we have already seen. So chances are this might be the high, or we may see the price pushing slightly higher, then the market may start to turn down. Okay, so now how we can trade this is, okay, we can go for a sell. Let me see how long is left. Okay, Nasdaq looks a bit weaker than the Dow Jones. So uh, try to see uh, to go for a sell on this this one. Okay, we can go for a sell at 410. 410 early on. We remember we said that okay, this is already beginning to turn down. This is already beginning to turn down. Okay, let's wait to see whether we can go for a sell on this. Okay, wait for the Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones is also, remember I told you we can sell at 940. So I think 940 there's a resistance. Uh, okay, what we can do, we can try to let me see on this. Okay, this is also only an extension, so I think we can go for a sell. Okay, we'll put a stop above 44,045. Okay, we'll try to go for a stop at 44,045 or 55 and try to sell at 940. Okay, this is for the Dow Jones. Then this what I wanted to say, the Nasdaq. Okay, let me give the signal. Okay, Nasdaq I think is already beginning to turn. Okay, this is already looks like we may have seen the high and this is a failure. So what we can do, we can try to sell Nasdaq again at 21335. Okay, we will give a shot. Nasdaq looks weaker compared to the Dow Jones. So we'll go for two trades again. Nasdaq will try to sell at 21345. Okay, 345, 21345, and put a stop at 31405, and the TP we will try to put it as 22000. Okay, we'll just try to put it later. We'll see whether we can rearrange the sorry 21 sorry 21200. Okay, 145 pips. Okay, then we're trying to go for a sell on the Dow. Okay, see, this is the problem. This is not updating. Okay, 43940, stop, and 44055. Or maybe this one I think we can go for a slightly higher price. Okay, I tell you what, we'll put it as 440. We don't want to chase this. Okay, 440, 40, 4495, and 43880. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, about 840, 860. Okay, we'll 43,860. So this is we're looking at about 180 pips, and this one we will give until another 1 hour. So we are trying to get Nasdaq to enter first, and we are trying to uh, uh, try to sell Dow at slightly higher, beyond 44,000. So we'll try to sell at 40, because I think that one shows more strength. And the gold, we are trying to sell at 14 half. Remember, I told you we can see market turning either 10 half or before that. So if you want to sell, we can sell at 11 and put a stop at 16. Okay, 16, and TP for this should be before 2903. Okay, so this one I think we can go for a sell. Hold on, I think this one is something wrong. Okay, the Dow, the thing cancelled. Okay, try to sell the gold at 10 half or 11. We'll try to go for a sell. Okay, let me sell that also. Okay, 10 half, 16 stop, and TP 03. Okay, so this is early on we gave at 14 half. So we are trying to change it. I think this one also looks like we may have missed the entry. I think we should have, early on we should have put at 10 half or 11. Okay, 2903, and we'll try to take this trade. Okay, I think the second round we managed to exit at a good price. Okay, I think the Nasdaq might get filled. This is coming off to 30. Okay, Nasdaq is coming up. So then the gold also moving up a bit. Okay, let's see whether this order get filled. Okay, Nasdaq is filled. So Nasdaq is filled. So we'll try to put a stop at 21405. Okay, Nasdaq is filled. Okay, gold is trading at 9. Okay, we think 9, 9.5. You want to enter aggressive traders, you may do so. I mean, this is, I'm not telling you all to. Okay, I think I have taken trade at 9.5. So if you can, I'll let you decide. Okay, I'll let you decide. This is up to you. And the Nasdaq is filled. Nasdaq is filled. And right now, I think we are making about 20 pips. Sorry, this is. So I think we sold at 45. I think we just sold at a right high. So we are waiting for some uh, weakness to come in. So let's see whether it happens. So right now I think we are making about 20 pips. Let's see whether we can break this low. Okay, what we can do, the stop loss, I think instead of 405, we'll try to tighten the stop a bit. So I think we don't have to take this risk of another 20 pips. So we'll try to put it as 385 and see whether it breaks the low. So we're just risking about 40 pips, okay, because we don't want to lose unnecessarily on this trade. I think the goal, the 10 half is filled. Okay, the gold is also filled. Only the Dow, I think we put it as higher. I think we don't want to take too many things, so we'll just try to relax a bit on that. Okay, this both orders got filled. So Nasdaq is filled and gold is also filled. Okay, so uh, where is this? Okay, right now we are shorting. We have shorted gold at 10 half. We are putting a stop at. We'll try to put it as 14 half. Okay, try to put 14 half. Don't give more than $4 stop, or maybe 15 half. Okay, the target we are looking at is we should see, okay, if we are right, we should see this low break or test this, but for conservative we may want to exit at 2898 or 2903, either one of these levels if you are going for a conservative target. So we can exit at 2903 or 2898 or 2892. Okay, these are the three levels of exit we are looking for the gold, and the stop we are put in as 14 half. If let's assume we get stopped out on this 14 half, then you try to put a re-entry at either 19 or 23. So that should be your next trading band. Okay, which is yeah, about 23. Okay, 23. Let's say we get stopped out 14 half, then you put a re-entry at 23. Okay, and for that we can put a stop at 27 half, and for that we got to exit before 15. Okay, so that should be your next trading setup for gold. Okay, then as far as this Nasdaq is concerned, okay, because it's already 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay, let's okay, Nasdaq looks like we we were expecting this market to turn down, and looks like, okay, this is not seen yet. Okay, and it may push higher. Okay, so what I want to do is just hold the gold, and the Nasdaq, uh, you may want to, because this is right now this is consolidating. Okay, consolidating, which means to say that this price is expected to push higher and break towards 21450. So what I want you to do, this one we will try to close at 30. Okay, try to close in and take a profit. Okay, we don't want to take any chance on this. Try to book at 30. Yeah, okay, I closed at 32. Okay, don't take chance on the Nasdaq because it looks like it's going to go higher. Okay, you close at 32. Then as far as the Dow is concerned, we are trying to sell higher. So this one we are closed at 32. Okay, we don't want to take risk on this further. Okay, because we are expecting this thing to move higher. we are expecting the price to break higher because this is still consolidating, okay, which means to say that this is going to break higher, and we got to be a bit careful on this. Okay, so the only thing now we are holding is gold. Like as I told you, the gold, what we do is we try to close at, okay, this is also not a good sign, because this is also showing it can continue higher. Okay, gold also, it's, this is not turning, so this is not turning, so looks like we may see one more push higher towards 23. So what we want to do is, you may want to close it at cost as well, okay, before because I don't want to end the session with the loss. So probably you may want to close at 10 and put an order to sell higher at 23. Okay, if you get it, you will take, otherwise you exit this trade. Okay, so overall I think today was not a bad day. I think I'm not sure how many of you managed to react fast and try to close the trade. uh, Otherwise, we, just give me a minute, let me close my trade. Okay, so the gold also we try to close at cost, or 10 half, just close it. Okay, we I don't think I think we may see the price pushing higher. So with that, I think I just conclude this session and see you again tomorrow. Okay, I hope it was a fruitful journey, but the only thing is maybe tomorrow we just want to do one. I think I don't want to do like two trades like Dow Jones and Nasdaq both. I think it's a bit too heavy. Maybe we'll just concentrate on either one and gold, or maybe just concentrate on two, so at least we don't lose much and we don't do the thing. Okay, so the gold, we still feel is going to go higher. I suggest you close it and try to sell again at either 19 or 23, then we wait for the price to come down. Okay, okay, thank you. And again, for those of you who are coming in first time, just give a like and subscribe to our channel, so at least you would be noted whenever we start the session, and looking to forward to see you again. Okay, thank you, bye.